Welcome, in front of me is a Philips Xenium X588, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card on the device. So to get started, you want to open up settings, and from settings scroll down to storage, so I have it right here, and then find your SD card, which is on the bottom, tap on it, and from here tap on it 3 dots and choose settings. In settings you should find format options, so tap on it. You'll get a message what it will result in, so basically you will lose all personal data that is on the SD card, and once you are ready you can just tap on erase and format. You will get a progress bar of erasing it, and once it's finished it will be immediately ready to be used again. So done, and basically the process is finished. So that is how you would erase and format the SD card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.